What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, guys, I'm going to be telling you guys an update on my channel so far right here about many things right now so far. So, we're just going to start off first things first with the meme compilation I promised right here would be about 45 minutes. First of all, right here, I'm already halfway done right here with it. I just need right here find some more memes, just wait for a bit more time for them to come in. Because basically, so I've been busy trying to work on this, but also had quite a few laughs right here while working on this. But this is for the viewers, this is for you guys, and of course, this is for the memes. And so basically, so I'm working on it right here pretty much. So, basically, so just making sure that gets done so that way you guys can watch a long compilation. And so also with my channel right here, the memes though, all this stuff though, I will be reducing the meme uploads right here that I'm making because of the school returning back though. And so basically, so I have to focus on school too. So that's the update right here. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you guys will have a fun Labor Day right here though, and that you guys will have quite fun right here so far, 3-day weekend if you guys are in school. But again though, have a good Labor Day and a good weekend. So I'll see you guys later.